Hello everyone and welcome back to website planning creation video series. So in this video of ours we will be continuing our learning on the DV module. So in the last module we have learned all about blog. So in this module we will be learning about what is blurb and how we can use the blurbs. So blurbs are small icons that can be used to display it in certain products or services that you try to offer from your website. So just let's check it practically. How does a blurb appears and what all we can do in the blurb. So when I've selected the blurb option, the first thing which is coming in front of me is the title. So I'll write here, this is the title, so that we'll come to know where is the title appearing. Now once you've written the title, you need to give a small description. For example, let's take an example of blurb that I am a software company and I provide something like development on C, C++, Java, Oracle and many other platforms. So I can mention the name of the platforms on which I provide services or anything, or of any of my USP that can be represented from here. So let's consider I've written this is the title of the blurb, and out here I'll write this is the now I've just written it, and we'll try to have it in the same line so that we can just see a little bit of text appearing. So what I want these all text to be centrally aligned. So I'll select all and click on centrally aligned so that the text are centrally aligned. If I'll scroll down, I'm having two options to use for the icons of the blurb. Either I can upload an image or I can use the icon. So if you're having certain images that you have made for the blurbs, so you can use those icons, or if you're not having any, there are predefined set of icons which is provided from the DV builder that we can use within it. So as far as I can see, I would be choosing an icon. Let's select an icon something like this. I want to choose this folder icon, right? So after that I'm having a link. Link means if anyone is clicking on the link of your blurb, they would be redirected to some other page. For example, you have mentioned you provide a development on certain platforms, and on another page on your website you have completely displayed all the USP and the stuffs that you provide for that services. So you can make the people redirect on that page when they have clicked on the blurb. So out here I'll say I want them to go to amazon.in, because right now none of my pages are ready in order to handle it, and I can say I want it to open a new tab. Once it is done, you can set the background color and images even. For example, I need the background color to be something very light shade of greenish. I want something like this to appear at the bottom of my blurb. So let's slide down, and now let's check the design options. In the design section, as we can see, the first option which is coming in front of me is the icon color. The icon which we have selected in the previous tab, that is in the content. From here we can select or set what color of icon do I want. Suppose I set the color as black. I want my icon to be black. And do I want my icons to appear in a circular way, like, or do I want the normal way to appear? So we would be just doing this testing after once we see how is it appear normally, then we would be again changing it to circular icon, and we'll see. Similarly goes for this. Do I want the icons to be centrally justified, left side or right hand side, right? I can even select the size of the icon. Whatever size it appears, I can increase or decrease from here. Now after that is a text alignment. This is the text which is appearing at the bottom of the icon, that is of the blurb. So I want it to be centrally justified. The text color should be dark, that is black. If I need a shadow, I can have the shadow from here. And this is text heading label, and everything is out here, which according to our requirement we can change basis of by seeing. Now let's have a preview of whatever we have done till now. So as I can see in the preview, as it is getting, this is the background of the icon and this is the folder, and as I can see, the moment I'm hovering my mouse over the folder, the finger is appearing, which means it is clickable, right? So as far as I think this blurb is done, so I'll just save and exit. Now rather than having one blurb, I need this one section to be converted into 3 more sections, like 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now in order to do that, we simply can go from here and we need to just click on this third icon which is on the green bar, and from here see we can insert columns. So I said it's 3 columns that I want, and see we have got 3 columns, and the first blurb has gone, and the remaining 2 is vacant. So what we can do now is we can just duplicate it in order to have a look how is it appearing, and just drag and drop. I have duplicated from here, drag and drop. Now let's have a preview of this page. So out here the 3 blurbs would be appearing one after another with the same design, because we have just copied the design, we have cloned the blurb. So as you can see, this is appearing out here in this way. This is the icon and this is the text which is appearing at the bottom of it. Now as far as I think, this green color is not going with the icon, so I can go back and I'll simply edit it. For this 3 horizontal line is used for editing, so I go at the bottom, and this icon is used for deleting. I deleted. Save and exit. Same I'll do with the remaining 2. I'll edit the module, scroll at the bottom and delete the background color. Save and exit. Edit the module. And delete it. Save and exit. Now let's have a preview. So earlier it was appearing something like this, and now it is appearing something like this. Now what I feel, I need to make this text a little bit more bold, and in the complete background I need some color so that this section is separated, appearing separate from other sections. So in order to do that, let's go back to the previous tab, and now if I need a color in the complete, so I need to go into this blue vertical bar. We'll just edit this blue vertical bar, and out here we can see the background option is coming. So I'll select a color. I'll go with the bluish color, light sky blue color, little bit transparency I'll increase, and I'll reduce its intensity. Save and exit and preview. So now previously the white background which was appearing, that would be changed to a very light sky blue color background. Now it is appearing a bit better than the previous one as it was appearing. Now let's try 2 things. Now let's make the first blurb as circular and change the font of the heading. Now in order to make the change in the blurb, let's again edit the blurb option, and let's go to the design. So out here it is asking me to make the circular icon, and let's go down, let's select the font of the text. So the text heading level is H4, let's make it H1. Save and exit and preview. I could have even changed the style of the font, that is I could have selected any other font style, but as of now it's completely fine. So now you can see the icon is appearing in a circular way, which earlier it was not appearing any circular icon, and the heading of the text has become bigger. I hope this blurb section is clear, right? And you can do the same changes and other modifications like changing the color and all changing on these text and other settings. So with this, the blurb module is complete. Yes, if I need to even check whether on clicking I'm going to Amazon or not. So if I'm clicking on the link on a new tab, Amazon is opening. So our link click is also working. So that was the complete blurb module. So if in your website there is any certain features or USP that you'd like to highlight in front of the customers, you can very easily use the blurb module. Now stay tuned on these video series, and you'll be doing in coming up videos more about the DB modules in website and planning creation module. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.